Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix mouse not working. So in this video, you are going to see that if a mouse suddenly freezes and you can't work with that and there's no way you are able to work with your mouse cursor and it's not moving at all. So there's might be some reasons for which it's not working. The first one you can try is and the cursor may get hang because of severe pressure. So you can just press the Windows key on your keyboard and then just press tab, and here press the down arrow and go to this option power, tap on enter, and here you can just use your down arrow to restart. Sometimes restarting your PC or laptop can fix this small problem like this. So once you're done, just escape. So if your mouse doesn't work and after that too, so you have to just uh follow some steps, like you have to tap on the Windows key on your keyboard and then just or go just use the side arrow, press escape. Here just use the start button and here search for device manager, hide device manager, and you will get something like this. Tap on press enter on your keyboard and this layout will arrive, and then once you hit enter you can just access it, and if you want to just get out of it, just tap on tab and it will be just out. So and you can also access it by the other way, that is you have to tap on press Windows plus X and this will take you to this layout, and then use the down arrow and here you will find the device manager, tap enter and this layout will come. So once you reach to this layout, here tap on or press the tab key just beside the Q key on your keyboard. Once you tap on tab, this will just allow you to access the options right on your screen, like desktop, theme, and audio inputs and outputs, batteries, etc. So once you're there, just tap on the tab icon, tab key, and then just press the down arrow and navigate to the mouse or mouse and other pointing device, and once you're there just tap on enter and it will lead you to the properties. So if you have any mouse adapter and installed in here, you will find them in here, and just tap on or press tab to access the top layout of the properties like general, and there will be some others like layout and other things. So from there you have to just uninstall your mouse device and then just tap on tab and then press enter to OK, and then just tap on Windows X, Windows icon, Windows key, and then press tab and then down arrow and navigate to the power menu, to press enter, and here press down arrow, press or enter restart, and once your PC is restarted, your mouse should be working fully. And once it is done, you can also install your mouse or your mouse device by going to device manager. Once it is done, once it is uninstalled, you have to just navigate to the file option right here So just tap on or press Alt and it will just allow you to navigate to File, Action View and Help on the top layout. And here use the right arrow to go to Action. Tap or press Enter and just press the down arrow and just enter to scan for hardware changes. It will automatically reinstall the mouse driver. And once you are done, go to your Windows or press to the Windows key and tap on Escape, press Windows key and press Tab, press the down arrow and go to Power, and here restart your PC. And once you restart your PC, your mouse should be working well and good. So yeah, this is the way with which you can just fix your mouse or cursor problems. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.